Hi all, my name is Catherine, Assistant Professor from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, in my lecture series video, we shall see about the introduction to encryption standard from the cryptography and network security. So we need to understand some basic security concepts before getting into the detailed topics, because only when you get to know the basic terms and terminologies, we'll be able to have a better understanding of what we are going to learn further. So first of all, what do you mean by cryptography? Cryptography is basically it's like hiding a message in a different form. So basically, crypt means hidden and graphy means writing. So in this, the main three things, we call it as CAA triad, that is the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These are the three key principles which should be guaranteed in any kind of the security system. For example, if you're trying to provide a safe security, you are trying to convey a message through email or anything, the three aspects should be always kept in mind, that there should be confidentiality, there should be integrity, and there should be availability as well. So now these terms might look little difficult for you to understand. I'll let you know what each term defines and what is the idea of these terms. So confidentiality is basically defined as the process of protecting a sensitive information from unauthorized access by converting into a unreadable form. For example, you are writing a letter to your friend, so you want that message to be read only by your friend. You don't want anybody else to read that message. So in normal, when you write a letter in a normal text paper, what do? We either put it in a cover or we paste it, so that if you cannot directly deliver the message to your friend, you have to depend on a middleman. So what do? We don't want the middleman to read the message. So that is how basically the traditional post office system worked. So what do? We write a message, we write a letter, and we paste it. The earlier days, olden days, inland letters, all we paste it, we write the address, we put it in the post office, then the postman takes. So the postman has access to all the letters, but he cannot open it and read it. So because only that is what is meant by confidentiality. We are maintaining confidentiality in that scenario where the sender and the receiver can trust that person who is bringing that message. So that is confidentiality. And integrity is one of those many important terms, because integrity refers to the assurance that information is trustworthy and accurate. So when a postman, I'm telling this I'm telling for your better understanding in the traditional way, so later we'll see how this works in the digital platform. So integrity is the assurance that the information is trustworthy and accurate. So when the postman comes and gives you that inland letter or any letter, when you open the message, you should be able to have a assurance that the message written inside is from your friend only. So that it should not be tampered. Nobody should have opened in a way that nobody could find it and rewrite something inside. That is integrity. And availability, ensuring timely and reliable access to use of information. So anytime you want to send a letter, the post office should be available all the time, so that you could be able to go post it the message, so that it reaches that concerned person on the right time. So this is in the traditional way. When you come to this in the digital platform, when you send a email, the email which is being received on the other side, the person should know that nobody has read that message. Only you, the address which is sent in that email, particular email, should be received to that particular person alone. And integrity is like the message should not be rewritten, or any new thing should be added. That kind of thing should not happen there. So that we should maintain that. And availability, anytime you want to open a bank server, you want to do a transaction, that server should be available all the time. So what do the hackers do is they try to tamper all these things. So these are all the main things. So sometimes when you see like the server is down, you want to do an important transaction, that time when you go and see like it says like the server is down. So it is like non-availability. You are not able to use the resources when you are in need. And when you send a message and the message is being interpreted in a different way in the receiving side, that is what hacking the integrity of the message. So these three are one of the main concepts. Only when you understand these three terms, we can go move on to the next topics of what are the attacks are, what are the attackers do, and how we protect using different algorithms, different methods, different techniques. So that we can see it in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.